to worry about that at all. All right, so it looks like I got Dan Recker, okay. We've got Dan Ecker, okay. We've got 7 lamps, good. We're in the GT3RS. By the way, I'm Steve. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so Ben, when we're on track, what we want you to do is keep your eyes up. Basically, just look where you want to go. That's simple. I want you to add throttle to the 2 orange cones. At orange, do your best to brake in a straight line until you get to the green turning cone. At that green cone, you just kind of want to ease your foot out the brake, just nice and relaxed, and go all the way to the very inside of the turn. That's what we call the apex, by the way.
Okay.
Now, once you get by the apex, you want to start squeezing the throttle and unwinding the wheel. Basically, Dan, I'm asking you to speed up and straighten up. You just want to be nice and smooth about that because we do have a lot of weight with that engine in the back, okay?
Okay.
Just keeps things balanced that way. As I mentioned earlier, the mirrors really are for me. So I'll tell you what, I'll guide, I know it'll be strange, but I'll guide you around any cars if we're going to pass or be passed. Now, would you prefer to use the paddle shifting or automatic? It's your call.
I know last time I just used automatic.
Okay, does that sound good to you?
Less to worry about.
That's true, especially if you haven't been to our track before.
Yeah.
But you have been on with your Carrera on track, right? Good. Let me check one thing on the steering wheel, though. Yeah, I just want to make sure the wheels are straight, that's all. So even if you're not using the paddles, your best bet is put your hands and the thumbs just like you had it. That's our 9 and 3. All right, ready to go have some fun?
Yep.
You got it. And straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Yep, just give it a little throttle. You might feel a little bump. That's a little parking rail. The bump's normal.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Left.
Sharp left once you're by that pole. There you go. And here we go to the end of this row. Like to look for that drift car. He comes out pretty fast. Go ahead and go to the left. I'll have you go ahead and go to that stop sign if you would.
Yeah.
And if you could, go ahead and make a complete stop. This way you kind of get used to the brakes there. And then up to the little blue cones on the right.
Okay.
And I'll have you stop one more time, only because I see a little bit of traffic.
Yeah.
So stop here. All right. We'll just wait for these cars to get out of the way here. All right. Can you see the green cone straight ahead?
Yeah.
We're clear. Straight towards that green cone. You got it, Dan. All right. All right, Ben, a little bit to the left. There you go. Start adding a little throttle. And straight to the green cone. That's called the turning cone. A little brake here at orange. Now look to the right side of the track and turn in. What you try to do is touch the stripes barely at the apex. Very nice, very nice. Over to the left. Straightening out a wheel and adding throttle. Pretty smooth, isn't it? Over to the left, if you would. Yep, all the way to the orange cones. And start adding brake here. Now you can go ahead and ease your foot off the brake. At this green cone, turn to the right. Do you see that green cone on the right?
Yeah.
You want to touch the stripes at that apex cone. Nice job. Let's go to that green cone on the left. See it over there? That's the exit cone. Very nice. Over to the left. Little brake here at orange. So here we like to touch the stripes a little bit. Okay. Then turn into the green cone on the right. Try to touch the apex there. Nice job. That's perfect. Just middle. Now over the hill. There's a green cone on the far right.
Yeah.
Turn into the left. Good. Touch the stripes there. Nice job. Go to the middle of the track. There you go. A little throttle. Straight to green. Brake here. We're going to let this other car get by. We're going to stay on the left this time. We're going to be close to the blue paint. We actually don't want to touch it, but close to it.
Okay.
Once that car gets by, we're clear. Over to the green cone. You got it. Add a little throttle. Little throttle. Just a little bit. And turn in. Adding throttle now. Straight to green. Brake it orange. Light brake. That'll be enough this time. Come on in. Touch that apex. Remember, let's go to that exit cone. Straighten out our wheel and add more throttle. What do you think so far? Keep going all the way to orange and brake here. So you like to brake straight. Just brake a little more. Now ease off. Good. Touch the stripes at the apex. Let's go to that exit cone. It's on the left. Squeezing that throttle. Brake again. I want you to already be looking to the right. Good. Turn in. There you go. Nice apex on that. Middle. That keeps us balanced. Now right side. All the way to the green on the right. Then turn in. Just try to look a little further ahead, Ben, okay? Go to the middle of the track and throttle. This is that wide turn, so wait for green. Now turn in all the way. Try to touch the stripes. Don't forget you're going to want to start straightening the wheel and throttle. Give it a little more this time. Right side. A light brake. That'll be enough. Come on in. And straight to green. Straight ahead. Little brake. Turn in right. Look where you want to go. In this case here, let's go to the left. And squeeze that throttle. Are you having fun yet?
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. You got it, Ben. Keep going. And apex. Now, as you straighten, go to green. And brake again. Good. Brake straight, ease into the right side. Nice and smooth. Let's get in the middle of the track. And brake. Just a light brake. Wait to turn though. Come on in. Be smooth on the steering, okay? Middle. Get us in the middle. Still want to go more to the middle there, okay?
Middle.
Otherwise, yep. Otherwise, the rear end comes around. Wait for it. Come on in. All the apex. Same on this one. Let's get back to the middle of the track. Now start adding throttle. Right side. Little brake. Just a light brake. That's enough. Come on in. And straight to green. Straight ahead. Brake. Look right. Good. Now, use a little throttle. Give it a little more, a little more. Now, full throttle. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Once you get the wheels straight, you're good. Nice job. Real nice job. Brake here. Brake a little harder. Ease off and turn in. Good. Little bit of throttle. Just give me a little bit for balance. Go to that exit cone. Squeeze that throttle. Very good. Much better. How'd that feel? A little faster?
Yeah.
Look to the right. Turn in. Remember, you got to go to the middle here. Now, over to the right. Light brake. Just a little bit. That's enough. Come on in. Same on this one here. Let's get in the middle of the track now. Stay in the middle. Brake. Yeah, stay in the middle a little more. A little early on the turn in on this one. Let's get to that apex though. Patience, go to the middle. Now throttle. That's about the middle there, okay? Ease off. Turn in, adding a little throttle. Just keep us steady, straight to green. Brake, brake first. Try not to get too much throttle in there, okay?
Yeah.
Start adding a little bit more. Little more. Once we get the wheels straight, full throttle, you got it. How's that feeling? Better?
Great, yeah.
Keep going, and brake here. Have you wait a little longer there. Ease off the brake. Now come in. Touch that apex. Not too soon though. Go to that green cone. Full throttle. See, if you wait a little longer, we get a little faster. And brake here. Ease into the right side. We'll be careful. We got to wait for flashers to pass this guy. Over to the right side. If he sees us, we will pass him. You're not opposed to passing a Lamborghini, are you?
No.
Middle of the track. Right about there. That's our middle. Brake first, all the way to the apex. Pass on the left, you got him. You don't mind, right? Little brake, just a little bit. Good, turn in. Straight to green again. Light brake. Look right, get your eyes over to the right side. Good. Let's line it up to that exit cone. And squeezing that throttle. Nice job past that Lambo. He's got more horsepower, but your line is better. Brake. Sometimes it's all about that racing line. Ease off the brake. Ease off. Come on in. Get that apex. I'd like you to have your tires on the stripes. Left side. Squeeze that throttle. And brake again. I'm going to look to the right side. Turn in. Go to the middle. Let it get in the middle. Then over to the right. See how smooth that is coming in?
Yeah.
Light brake. That should be enough. Come on in. Back to the middle of the track. Middle. More to the middle. See? Yeah. You don't want to hold that turn. You want to make a little wider of it all the way to the apex. Try to touch our stripes here if you can. And straightening out the wheel, middle, now throttle, right side. Ease off. No brake this time. Turn in, straight to green. Brake. Brake hard. Ease off. Turn. Good job. See how we get the weight on the nose? We're going to pass this. Let's wait for flashers. You got it. Nice job. Really nice job. We'll pass one more Lambo, okay? Yeah. Ease off the brake. Give me a little bit of throttle, just a little bit. Little bit, I said. Wait for it. Now throttle. Just you don't want to get too much in the middle there. Over to the left. Brake. Brake a little harder, a little harder. Ease into the right side. Go to the middle, middle. So if you hold the turn, all that weight in the back comes around on us. Go to that apex. Again, let's get back to the middle after you're done with this. Hold the middle, throttle. There you go, and brake. And that was our last lap. See how good that is? If you get in the middle there, we were catching that Ferrari too. Got ourselves a couple Lambos, but we were one more lap away from getting that guy. Don't you think? I mean, we were coming up on him.
This track is wider than the one I did.
Yeah, it is. They do that so we can pass two. We usually don't go three wide, but we get two. Pass quite frequently, actually, as you can tell, without a problem. Let's continue on. So this car we park in the middle row. So keep rolling on, just like you're doing. Perfect. Keep going, and then we're going to go ahead and make a right down this row here. And I'd like you to pull into pit 24, just this side of the
Which
green.
one's 24?
Yep. Yeah, this side of the green RS. There you go. So what'd you think, man?
That was fun.
Good. We got you a lot better at the end, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
A lot faster, yeah. As long as you're getting that car unwound, basically straightening out the wheel, you keep it balanced there. Continue on. You're going to feel that little bump in just a moment. That's perfect speed for right now. There you go. I'll tell you what, I like to put it in neutral. You can take your foot off the brake. That lets the brakes cool off.
Yeah.
And so it doesn't roll down the hill. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Crank it all the way over there. We'll just let it cool off like this. Any questions for me, Ben?
No, I think.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good, good.
Driving the Huracan next. So we'll
Okay,
see.
so the Huracan's a little, what we call twitchy. So when we talked about unwinding and being smooth coming out of those turns, especially the Huracan. It doesn't have the rear steering that this does.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but it's a lot of fun. So,
Yeah.
since you've got that other car, make sure you go to pit lane and tell them you're ready for that Huracan,
Yep.
okay? Well,
Okay.
real nice riding.